In the trio. Let's go. Let's go, Brian. Let's go.
Let's go bowling.
I know that's not way.
Motherfucker.
Last videos,
If there was a way, we would need it.
In your fucking face.
Oh, it's nothing special. It's just my base cannon!
But I don't know if it takes with any rage, so you just, like, destroyed your
later.
purging at the same time.
Oh, yeah!
Don't worry about it. I'll probably have the same.
Oh, it's nothing special. It's just my base cannon! Motherfucker! It's just my base cannon!
I killed Vinyl with her own base cannon.
Oh, yeah!
I think there's a train coming. Yeah, there is. It's a good thing I paid attention.
Our last control point is being captured.
We'll be doing probably a story or
Discord, you cannot escape. Maybe you can, but just temporarily.
Oh, yeah!
That didn't work for you.
Alert! Our last control point is being captured.
In your fucking face.
There you are.
Yeah!
2 minutes left in the mission. 2 minutes left in the mission. Alert! The final control point is being contested.
I think there's a train. Yeah, there's a train. I knew
Our
it.
control point is being captured.
how I can get other people to watch. So bear with me here.
Is the last guy no clipped? I hear you, Scout. I hear you. Base cannon and.
Oh, it's nothing special. It's just my base cannon!
No clip on yourself to get base cannon in this case. Remember that. Cowards! I love this server. Alright, it's match.
What map are we going? Oh yeah, Riverwood. I love that map.
So, any form of information coming up soon involves, let's see, more people coming, new stories from other stories, maybe even, because there will be a lot of funny stuff happening. Last few videos, people may sound echoey, but it was pretty funny. Yes, it was really, really funny. Except on night making those videos. But, you know, I will probably try to make a something. I'll try to record for it. If you want to do some hunting gaming, like on the area you don't want to,